Today we are in Makhanpur slum and we will tell you the story of a teacher, Ridhima Sharma, who by forgetting the commercial interest is teaching these underprivileged children for the past 3 years. Let's come and have a talk with this wonderful teacher. As you can see, the teacher Ridhima Sharma is now teaching these underprivileged children in this slum, Makhanpur. My first question to ma'am, from when you started this thing and what's the inspiration behind?
Started this 3 years back, and actually I also belong to a very nominal class family, so education was a very important area. So I was striving to get resources, like I should have good tuition, I should have good teachers, because schools are not entirely enough to have the whole guidance. So that's what inspired me. Like, these kids are not getting it, the whole thing which they deserve as a child, and they are enrolled in schools. Some are not enrolled in schools because of the lack of resources, and they have to work for their family. So if you can see, like, there is a gym there was, and I was in that gym, and I used to see all of them every day. They used to come up with some tea and all. They were doing all those chores. So then I thought about it, why we cannot help these kids. So let me take a small bunch and start helping them. Biggest challenge is to make them civilized, to make them learn is the biggest challenge. Because if you can see, everybody belongs to a different age group. Different level of teaching has to be required. So I was all alone when I started. So it was a challenge to create a team who can be very strong and who can get retained so that they can help them on a regular basis.
Have they taken an admission in the government school?
Yes, we have allotted, last year we allotted only 2 kids and 1 dropped out. But this time we have a list of like 11 to 12 students, and the enrollments are still going on. So it is not ended yet. We have a good support from the school in the area, and we have got tied up with 3 or 4 schools in the nearby area. So we have enrolled 11-12 students at a time, and we are targeting to enroll 30 out of them. CRY is helping me from last 3 years. The regular volunteers, I started from CRY, and regular intern support, and everything was given from there.
बच्चे लोग, टीचर्स डे आ रहे, आपको मैम कैसे लगते हैं बताओ कोई?
बहुत अच्छी।